The president's housing plan was supposed to help those most in need, but as Nevada leads the nation in home foreclosures, we look at why so few here qualify for help.
Could a new investor help keep Project City Center afloat? What MGM Mirage is doing to try to save the Strip's largest construction project.
And the state's budget crisis keeps getting worse as it passes the $2 billion mark. We'll show you which cuts are looking more like a reality.
This is breaking news from Channel 8 Eyewitness News.
We start with a shooting tonight. Police are on the scene of a shooting where a man was shot near Charleston and Nellis.
No word yet on exactly what sparked that shooting or if police have identified any suspects. We can tell you, though, that the victim did suffer life-threatening injuries, we're told. Of course, we'll have the latest for you as soon as it becomes available. Meantime, though, other news for you tonight. Nearly a month after the president's housing plan went into effect, a lot of people are still asking, do I qualify?
Well, after crunching the numbers, we are told most people in Nevada do not qualify to refinance under the president's plan, even as we lead the nation in foreclosures. But that doesn't mean those people don't have options. Eyewitness News reporter Allison McCarthy joins us live from near Desertian and Eastern with a look at what's become a more realistic option for homeowners here in Nevada.
Gary, by some lenders' estimates, only about 8% of homeowners in Las Vegas will qualify to refinance under the president's plan. But there is some good news. As foreclosures continue to flood our market, more lenders are agreeing to modify the current mortgages of Valley homeowners who can prove they're in distress.
I was hurting, I needed help, and I couldn't get any.
Ken Barnes doesn't qualify under President Obama's mortgage rescue plan. We're now learning he's not alone.
The way that it stands right now, there's very few people in Las Vegas that are going to truly benefit from that.
Loan officer Leslie Wood says more homeowners in distress will find loan modification a more successful route to go.
It's done, and I suggest you sign it. It's a good deal.
Ken Barnes went looking for some professional help with his loan modification, and he got it from Fortress Credit Services, a local licensed debt adjustment agency.
We're not giving them a new mortgage. We're adjusting the mortgage that they're currently in, adjusting the terms, lowering the interest rate, lowering the payments, maybe stretching out the term.
In Ken's case, his modified mortgage with Countrywide cuts his house payment in half from $3,200 to $1,500, and his adjustable rate is now gone.
Going forward, we're saving him $1,500 per month.
I was doing cartwheels across the backyard.
To date, Fortress Credit Services, just one small company in Las Vegas, has modified about 300 mortgages in this housing crisis. Unfortunately, many homeowners are choosing to become delinquent on their mortgage in order to persuade their mortgage company to make a deal.
It will create a hit on their credit, so their credit score will go down a little bit. But if ultimately their goal is really to hold on to that house, and that's what they need to do in order for the bank to even speak to them.
Back live, then that's what more people are choosing to do. Now, you don't have to hire anyone to help you through this process, but should you decide to do that and you do hire a representative, make sure that the agency is licensed with the Nevada State Division of Financial Institutions. Don't pay anything up front. There are a lot of mortgage rescue scams out there. Just be careful. Reporting live, I'm Allison McCarthy, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.
Allie, thank you very much. Channel 8 Eyewitness News is on your side as you try to keep the bank's hands off your home. On April 15th, we'll have experts here in the studio to take your calls on your housing questions. Our Taking Back the House Community Pride Special will be at a special time right after the 6 o'clock news.